What's going on, guys? I know it's been quite a long time since I recorded a YouTube video. Let's just say life has gotten me. But today I'm going to be doing a remodel of what I'm going to be making my makeup room. I'm going to do most of my filming for YouTube. So I purchased this house a little over a year ago, and I'm finally making the adjustments to make it homey, if you want to say. I bought a desk from the thrift store. I got mirrors from Lowe's. What else did I purchase? I purchased items from Dollar Tree, Five Below, and basically just watch me as I just transform this room into my makeup room. Keep watching. What's up? Y'all, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday. As you can see, this is the before product of the house. I bought the house, it was all busted up, holes everywhere. Like, if y'all can see how the whole house looked within itself, y'all be like, wow, how it looks now. But that's the best thing I think I ever did, was investing in buying me a home. It's been stressful, fixing it up, but it's been fun along the way watching the progress. Like, I get so happy doing stuff like this. I just gotta throw this in there. My body ain't looking too bad. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I lost about 25 pounds. Keto diet. Booty looking right too. Hey. I swear this is the fun stuff. Get excited. It's coming along. Not too bad. How hard it was to get that putty to match the wall. Man, this whole house has that design pattern on the wall. I have to try to match it to the best of my ability. Stressful. Just me being silly. I got bored after a while, so I'm like, I was listening to some music, dancing. point, I'm just spray painting the desk that I bought from the thrift store. It originally was blue. I wish I would have actually caught footage of me actually decorating, like putting the curtains and stuff up, but you'll see the after effect. This project was so fun. It took a good 3.5 days, but I swear it was worth it. I promise. I'm going to be decorating the room in a couple of days. Let me know if you would like me to make a separate video of me actually decorating the room to my liking. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram business and Instagram personal page. Thank you.